Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Honda Civic, 2012 to 2015? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2012 and 2013, Honda Civics houses fuses that control interior electrical components, such as the power windows, door locks, interior lights, and audio system. It includes both standard blade-type fuses and microfuses. Each fuse is color-coded for amperage and labeled for easy identification. The box also features a fuse puller and spare fuses for quick replacements. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2014 and 2015, Honda Civics controls interior systems like lighting, power accessories, and infotainment. It uses low-profile mini-fuses and includes labeled circuits for easy identification. Some versions also integrate relays for added functions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 2012 and 2013, Honda Civics protects major electrical systems like the engine control unit, cooling fans, ABS, and headlights. It contains high amperage fuses and relays designed for critical components. Fuse layout is clearly labeled for quick diagnostics. Durable construction ensures reliability under high heat conditions. The engine compartment fuse box in 2014 and 2015. Honda Civics powers critical systems like the ECU, ABS, and headlights using high amperage fuses and relays. It features a compact, heat-resistant design with clearly labeled components for easy maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.